Okay, come here, Sugar. Hi guys, good afternoon. Time check. It's 3:55 in the afternoon. So here we are, guys. It's time to walk for the dog, but it's too early. But it's okay. It's not hot because the weather is so cold this time. There's a rain this morning, yesterday, and last night. So now here we are. We keep walking along the streets nearby. So this is my dog. Her name is Sugar. So we just gonna keep walking along the streets so we can show you also the surroundings. So guys, there is a house here that is under renovation, and so we'll go along there, that side. So it's some kind of an exerciser also for me and the dog. We was not able to walk yesterday. It's because there's a sandstorm in the morning, and then there's a rain during the afternoon. So guys, stay with me. We're just gonna keep walking and walking. So the location here is in Dubai. Along Sukim. They call it Sukim, but they call it like Jumeirah 3, 4, something like that. But actually this is Sukim 1. Okay, there's a car because there's a new neighbor here. They're still having their stuff taken from, I don't know which place they came from, but they just moved in this house like a week ago. So look at, guys, see the clouds is so clear now. It's not like this morning, and also during the midday it's so cloudy and we still have rain that time. So this time it's already quite okay. The weather's quite good. So that's why I just decided to come outside to walk and have a walk. Come on, get Sugar. So this is a truck, a movers. I think this is their delivering stuff, because these people just move in here. Oh. No. So, oh my goodness, look at this car. He really likes to drive on the water side. The road is quite big for a two-way, but he just is there. He just decided to drive the car in the puddle of water. Oh my goodness, we cannot go there. Sure, come here. We go back. It's quite a muddy place and there's still a water. See, look at it, guys. It's full of water here. I think there's a problem with the drainage here. That's why sometimes Not sometimes. Most of the time, if it is rains, water stays little bit here. It's not flowing to the drainage very well. So we have to go back. We go find another turn. We're going to over there at the end, and then we go to the left turn so we can go straight to walking. We're not going through that side because there's a lot of water still there, and there's some mud. It's some mud. There's a lot of mud, so I don't want to get dirty. My foot, my feet, and the dog's feet. So anyway, surroundings are quite very silent. It's so quiet. And today is Friday. People still there in their work. And maybe some of them are here already in their houses, and some people saying the weather is so good, it's so cool, and it's nice to sleep. That's what they said. So it's quite a little bit cold. Really, it's nice one. So nice. The weather is so nice. Come on, Sugar. See, you're okay, Sugar. Wow, there's a lot of birds over there. Those are migrant birds, maybe. Because the weather now is quite okay. It's winter, so there's a lot of birds. Maybe they're going from one place to another places. So they're there on top of that house. Hold on, wait. Oh. So that tree is, we call it the malunggay. So malunggay is some people they call it moronggay. That's a nice kind of I think we call it a vegetables. We eat the leaves, we cook the leaves, and we cook also the fruits. It's not just we the Filipinos eating those veggies. There's some Indians also, they're eating those veggies. Oh, here. So sun's there already. Sun comes out. There's no cloudy. It's not so cloudy now. So actually it's so windy, it's cold, but the sun is still there. So nice to keep walking. It's nice to walk actually. So here, this is the house that is under renovations. Those two guys there are riding on their bicycle. So how's your walk? Sugar, how's your walk? Are you good? You okay? So I have Sugar with me. So see, there's a dog in that house. His name is Ryu. But I think they're not going to walk now. Later maybe. Because actually this is not yet the time for us to keep walking, to walk with the dogs. Most of the time we start walking around 5 o'clock to 5:30 or 5:30 up to 6 o'clock or until we wanted to go home because it's already the end of the day. You can walk a little bit longer if you want, if you don't have some stuff to do in the house. So guys, so come here this way. Sure, this way. What's that? Okay, that's nice. Okay, we're going this way. We're going through this side, and then we'll go along up to the end. So we have to do the loop. We're gonna walk for like 2 rounds. Like it takes around 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes if you don't walk like a little bit fast. So see, this is the water looks like if after the rain. I mean, because there's, I don't know where are the drainage here, so the water is still there, stagnant water. Maybe water will goes down later. Oh, what is this? Yeah, I think this is the one of the drainage. Yes, but the water is not going through up to this side, so it stops there. Okay, so we're gonna go walk through at the end of this street, and we're going to the right turn. It's so nice to walk, guys, because it's not cold. It's not hot. It's cold already, and it's so windy. It's windy, and the weather is so nice, so you won't be feeling tired. But at least keep walking and walking. It's a nice exercise. So this is, so again, there's a water there because there's no way to go. Because of that one, the stand of this pool for the sorry, for the light. There are some, we have lights in the streets, solar, with the solar panel lights. Look at this. So the base where they put the pool, what they call this one, is the one, that's the one who is stopping the water to flow over there, going to the drainage area. And maybe some of the drainage are not working very good, that's why. So see, so we're approaching where we are staying. This is the house that we're staying. See that one. And what do you think, Sugar? Are you going home now, or you just want to go walk straight over there? It's okay, we're gonna go straight, walk over there. So that is our house, guys. This is the house we're living. Wait. So she's still there over there. But in this area they don't have a lot of water. Let me check, maybe There's a good drainage here. Doesn't stocks the water. So here's one guy. He's doing his exercise or walking exercise. So that's a good it's a good thing. It's a good for him. Oh, there's another malunggay here. That tree is malunggay. Okay. Alright, he's Lolo also. Here. He's a Lolo walking around. It's good for him too. There's one lady here waiting for something. Come here. He's waiting for a car, maybe. I think she's working there, but like leave out position, so that's why she's going home now, maybe, since now is past 4 o'clock. Okay, so this is what happened if there's some rains in this side, this edge of the road. There's water in it because the water is not flowing very nice. And see, there's a drainage here. There's one kabayan checking the drainage if it is working or not. What happened, kabayan? Ano yan? Ay, barado ano? E saan naman pupunta yung tubig? I-video ko nga. Binivideo ko. Hi, that's kabayan. Hi, say hi. Ah, okay. Yeah, there's a lot of dried leaves and everything. That's why the water is not flowing so good. Let me check. Yeah. So the good thing is going to fix it. So there shouldn't. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Go straight and we go walk. So there's a lot of water also from that side, coming from that side, going to that drainage. So it's better if they're going to fix it. So there should be no water in their front area. It's a front, right at the front of their gate. See, that's the water. If you can fix that side, then water will flow nicely. And there's no more water in the front of the gate. So it's quite difficult. Okay. We have now there's a friend of us. Hi, Cooper. Now Cooper is here. Wait, hold on. Baka naman. Tabi, let's go. Come here, this side. Basa doon, no? Kaya, okay. Say hello to my video. Okay, guys, see you later. See you in my next videos. Okay, bye. I'll give you more videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.